Welcome everybody. Today it's all about belly pork, Asian style belly pork with vegetables. Sticky, sweet, slightly spicy, unctuous, umami, absolutely beautiful. Perfect with rice or noodles. So let's get cracking, shall we? I'm just about to season some 3-inch strips of belly pork with some salt and pepper, and we took the hard rind skin off them. You still have that wonderful layer of fat. And I'm just going to massage the salt and pepper into the strips of belly pork. I'm going to throw in my pan about a tablespoon of sesame oil. And once that is nice and hot, let's place those strips of belly pork in the pan. Don't forget all the quantities, everything relevant to the recipe and ingredients will be in the description below. All the strips are in the pan and I want to seal these really well first. As you can see, I'm probably giving them a few minutes each side. And then once I've sealed them really well in that gorgeously nutty sesame seed oil, I'm going to transfer them to the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium oven to finish off. And we're going to need all those wonderful flavours in the pan because we're adding some garlic and ginger to the pan. 2 parts garlic, 1 part ginger. Stir that around for a minute or two, just for it to penetrate the heat a little bit. And then we're going to throw in our carrot strips and our onion strips. I'm using red onion, obviously any onion is perfectly fine. I'm going to stir fry that for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to look slightly translucent. And when it does, we can add the rest of the ingredients. So half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. Give that a bit of a stir. Really is a smashing dish. Now I'm going to throw in some honey. My honey has solidified, which is absolutely fine. I've got about a tablespoon of honey. In goes some dark soy sauce, followed by some black vinegar, Chinese black vinegar. And I'm also going to pop in some oyster sauce as well. Stir that all in, bring it to a little sizzle. Really is, and I can promise you the smell at the moment is truly fabulous. Okay, once that's been stirred in well and it's come to a sizzle, I'm going to add in a quantity of ready-made gravy, simple brown gravy. The recipe is on my channel, and I will put the link to the recipe in the description below. We're going to stir that thick gravy in to the other ingredients in the pan until we've got a lovely, smooth, wonderful, spicy, slightly sweet, slightly sticky sauce. So once that comes to the boil, I'm going to throw in some chopped green beans. I'm using frozen. Any green beans are perfectly fine. If you find it still a bit thick, you could always throw in a splash or 2 of water. So once they've all been incorporated, I'm going to take the pork strips out of my oven, pop them back into the sauce. You can see they've cooked beautifully, slightly charred around the edges, absolutely fabulous. And now it's just a case of coating all those wonderful belly pork strips in the sauce. Bring it to a boil, and as I said before, you can always add a splash of water if you feel you want to. Look at that, really is wonderful. Bring it to a boil, wait till it starts sizzling, and then you're pretty much ready to serve. And I promise you, this dish is wonderful. It really is truly a great, easy to prepare Chinese style belly pork. Okay, should we serve? I'm going to pop a little bed of the vegetables on my plate, and then I'm going to carefully arrange my pieces of fabulous belly pork on top. And as I said before, rice, noodles, mashed potato, anything you want. This is just one of those dishes that spell comfort all day long. And you can, by all means, if you want to spice this up more, you can double the quantity of chili flakes. It's entirely up to you. But it really is a fabulous dish. All I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sprinkle a few gorgeous nutty sesame seeds on top of our wonderful belly pork dish. There we are. Get those sesame seeds on. Asian style belly pork with vegetables. If you've enjoyed the video, may I ask if you could share, subscribe, like, or even leave a comment. And if you want to find out about my next video, press the notification bell. This is Archie Pie. I'm getting the noodles out. It's time to eat. I'll see you all very soon.